name is William King, and I'm the founder and chairman of Zephyr Health.
And what brings you to this conference?
Well, this is a really exciting opportunity to meet many of our customers and to meet new potential customers, as well as meet other vendors and potential partners for us. So it's very nice that everybody comes together here at i4Pharma, and a great opportunity, like I say, for us to engage.
And what are you hoping to learn?
Well, there's a couple things. I'm hoping to learn, first of all, just kind of to continue to keep a beat on the industry. What are people talking about? What are the concerns? What are the opportunities? I also find it's really interesting, particularly from the vendors, to think about new solutions, new technologies, new offerings. But really, at the end of the day, it's also an opportunity to get to know and meet new people. And for us, as we talked about on the panel that I was just on, healthcare is deeply personal. It's about people. And so it's really an opportunity to form new relationships and meet new folks.
And what was the panel that you just participated on?
So the panel was about the integration of sales and marketing. It really is kind of a classic challenge, nothing new here, but it really speaks volumes that it's on the agenda here today, because obviously it continues to persist. And so I think the reason that they asked Zephyr Health and myself to participate in the panel is because integration just inevitably translates into data in some form, and that's a lot of what we do, and so there's a big data underpinning to the opportunity to integrate. I think the second thing is getting some perspective as we're working across industry. We're working with many different companies. We can sort of talk a little bit about who's doing things well, what's being done well, share those best practices, but ultimately really just talk about the evolution of how we can bring these two functions together more tightly and ultimately, as we're trying to all do, speak with one voice.
And as you said, best practices, when your panel discussion closed and everybody left the room, what is the one best practice that you really, really hope they take home with them?
Well, I think as we talked about in the panel, I think technology is amazing and it's really important and it's a big enabler. But really, truly, what brings organizations together are people and change management. And the thing that I hope that people walk away from is that we have the possibility now with technology. We have the possibility with data. We have the tooling and we have every advantage as it relates to all of the infrastructure. What we really need to focus on now is being vigilant about saying this is where we're going and having the whole organization align around that, and then really implementing the change management to realize the opportunity.